This is the solution to problem 61 from section 5.2, and it has to do with a human memory model, which is a model using a logarithmic function. So it says that students in a math class were given an exam and then retested monthly with an equivalent exam. The average scores for the class are given by this particular model, where they're saying f of t equals 80 minus 17 log t plus 1. When nothing's written as the subscript of log, it's log base 10. And you're supposed to graph that on your calculator. So you'll enter a calculator page in f1 of x, put the function, and then you'll have to adjust the window so that you can see the graph. And I wrote down here the window that I use. So I set y max to be 100 and x max to be 15. Y minimum, you can put whatever you want. I would put a small negative number so that you can see the x-axis. And x minimum, I would put a small negative number so you're able to see the y-axis. And I'm showing the graph here. Letter B says, what was the average score on the original exam? So that means we're going to use our model and we're going to find f of 0 because that's the original score. So we're going to do 80 minus 17 log of 0 plus 1, which is 80 minus 17 log 1. Log 1 is 0. The reason we know that, we can say 10 to the what power is equal to 1. That's going to be 0. So log of 1 is 0. This term goes away. And we're left with f of 0 is 80. So the average score on the original exam was 80. Letter C said, what was the average score after 4 months? So in this case, we're going to use our model again. We're going to find out what f of 4 is. So now we're going to have to use the calculator. We can use the table mode, or we can just enter these values in the calculator. So we're going to, f of 4 is 80 minus 17 log of 4 plus 1. If you enter that in your calculator, you'll get about 68.1. And what was the average score after 10 months? So now we're going to say t equals 10 here. So we're going to find f of 10, which is 80 minus 17 log of 10 plus 1, or log of 11, and that is 62.3.